Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us one more audio product from Noise and it's the Noise One. This is a budget Bluetooth headphone which is available for just Rs 1299. So let's do the unboxing and find out how this budget Bluetooth headphone performs. In the front we have the model name and the picture of the headphone, and this headphone is designed in India. The headphone is available in 4 different colors and the one we have here is the black color. And here we have some key features such as the 16 hours of playback time, 4 pairing mode, voice assistant support, it has a mic for hands-free calling, true bass technology, and it supports dual pairing. The MRP of this product is Rs 3999, but as mentioned earlier, it's available at an introductory price of Rs 1299. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So in the box first you get the headphone and then you get this welcome card, and here we have the details about the warranty. And then we get this box in which we have the micro USB charging cable and the aux cable. And you also get a quick start guide which has the info about different button controls. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the headphones closely. Noise One is a budget Bluetooth audio device, and looking at the design and the build quality, I must say that it doesn't look like a budget product. And the quality is really good. I really like the soft touch material on this headphone. The cushioning on the ear cups and the headband is also very good. The ear cups on these headphones are adjustable and you can tilt them to keep the headphones in your neck. And you also get the ear cup adjustment here which will make them comfortable for long hours. And guys, you can also fold this headphone like this, which makes it perfect to carry in your backpack. Now in terms of the ports and buttons, so here we have the power button along with the volume and the mode button. And then we have the aux port, mic, micro USB charging port, and you also get a micro SD card slot, which is really good. Talking about the technical details, you get the Bluetooth 5.2 500 mAh battery which can give you up to 16 hours of playback time. And the driver size of this headphone is 40mm. So overall in terms of design and build quality, I find this headphone really good. And it's also lightweight. Now let's pair the headphone with our phone. So it's paired. Now let's see how is the sound quality. Now talking about the comfort first, I find this headphone very comfortable and they are the on-ear headphone. And because of the good cushioning, I find them really comfortable for long hours. Now in terms of the audio quality, first of all the price of this headphone is just Rs 1299. And keeping in mind that, I find the quality pretty decent. The bass is average and the clarity is also decent. They are also loud, but at 100% volume, you will feel some distortion. Nonetheless, at this price, the audio quality is good, and for casual usage such as listening to music and watching movies and videos on streaming platform, you can use this headphone. Now about the button operation, you have the volume controls here, and when you long press the volume button, you can switch between the sound tracks. Single pressing the mode button will enable the FM mode. And lastly, you also have the voice assistant support in this, and when you long press the mode button, you can call Google Assistant or Siri. And guys, I have also used them for calling as well, and like most of the Bluetooth headphones in this price range, the mic clarity is also average. So overall the Noise One Bluetooth headphone is a good looking product and the design is also very good, but the audio quality and the performance is just average. You can use this headphone for casual use and also to watch movies. And if you're on a tight budget and looking to buy a Bluetooth headphones under Rs 1500, then definitely check them out. And as usual, if you like them and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Noise One Bluetooth headphones. Let us know if you like them, and also do tell us your favorite feature of this headphone in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.